Students, we are doing time and tense. As you know, till now we have done present indefinite tense. You have read in present indefinite. We have learned to use correct form of verb according to the time of present indefinite tense. And now we are learning to use the correct form of verb according to time in present continuous tense. As we know, to write the correct form of verb, we have to know two things. The first thing, the form of verb of any tense, and the second thing, time of the tense. In present indefinite, we have learned about the form of verb and its time. And now today in this class, we shall learn the form of verb in present continuous tense and its time in present continuous tense. So as we know, present continuous tense shows the continuity of an action in present time. As for example, he is eating an apple. It means this action is being performed in present time. It shows its continuity. In this tense, the identification of this tense is subject plus am is are plus VING plus other words. And form, now we should know two things, the form of verb and the time of present continuous tense. The form of verb in present continuous tense is am is are plus VING, and the time concept in this tense is at present, at the moment, soon, today, tonight, now, tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, etc. Now, how will the question be asked in present continuous tense? In this tense or on this topic, time and tense, the question is asked as follows. Write the correct form of verbs given in brackets of the following sentences. Here, the question number A is given. This film blank space soon. In bracket, the verb form is come, yani V1 form is given. Then we have to write the correct form of verb come in this sentence. How can we write the correct form of verb in this sentence? We shall first of all find out the time concept. What is the word which indicates time? Here the word soon indicates time, and according to soon the verb form is am is are plus VING. Yani the verb form will be used in present continuous tense. Hence, is coming is the correct verb form which will be used here.